Operation video of cooling system cleaning maintenance equipment. Connect the equipment to a 220 volt power supply and an air source. Connection method 1, for vehicles with built-in pressure coolant reservoir. Remove any water pipe connected to the coolant reservoir. Prepare matching hoses and connectors, and connect them to the coolant reservoir and the detached water pipe respectively. Connect the red outlet pipe of the equipment to the coolant reservoir end. Connect the black return pipe of the equipment to the engine end. Connection method 2, for vehicles with ordinary coolant reservoir. Remove the upper water pipe. Use corresponding connectors to connect both ends of the detached upper water pipe. Connect the red outlet pipe to the radiator end. Connect the black return pipe to the engine end. Block the coolant reservoir connecting hose with a clip to prevent pressure relief. Open the filter cup sealing cover, add cooling system cleaner into the filter cup, then tighten the cover securely. Set selector valve 3 to cleaning mode, and selector valve 2 to cleaning mode. Turn on the equipment power switch. Rotate the flow control valve clockwise to increase cleaning and replacement pressure. The pressure shall not exceed 2 bar. The coolant in the vehicle starts circulating, filtering and cleaning. After cleaning, turn off the power switch to stop cleaning. Open the coolant filler cap, add new coolant into the equipment, and check the coolant volume via the new fluid sight glass. Set selector valve 3 to exchange mode, and selector valve 2 to exchange mode. Turn on the power switch to start coolant exchange. The exchange pressure shall not exceed 2 bar. Set selector valve 1 to suction mode. Pressurize via the red outlet pipe, and vacuum suction via the black return pipe to easily open the thermostat for complete coolant replacement. When bubbles are rolling in the new fluid sight glass, set selector valve 1 to drain mode to stop suction. Turn off the power switch to stop exchange. The coolant exchange is completed. Open the coolant reservoir cap to release pressure. Disconnect all connecting hoses and connectors. Restore the vehicle S pipeline to original position. Connect the red outlet pipe to the connector. Set selector valve 3 and selector valve 2 to exchange mode simultaneously, then turn on the power switch to add remaining new coolant in the equipment to the reservoir. Turn off the power switch to stop filling. Connect the black return pipe to the connector. Set selector valve 1 to suction mode. Suction the coolant back to the waste fluid tank of the equipment. Set selector valve 1 to drain mode to stop suction. Replace the filter screen after each replacement. Set selector valve 1 to drain mode, open the side drain valve, and pressurize to quickly drain the coolant in the waste fluid tank. Restore the vehicle, start the engine for preheating, check if the cooling system works normally, then deliver the vehicle. After construction, clean up and store the equipment in place.